Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be making a quick dinner idea, spaghetti and meat sauce. As a thank you for joining us for these videos, please check out the description and there's a link for a free gift. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Let's begin. For this recipe, you're going to keep your ingredients as simple as possible. Here are my ingredients. Let's go over what we have. We have some sea salt, some multi-purpose seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, some garlic, some green peppers, and some onions. The garlic is optional, guys. I know some people don't like garlic. You do not have to put that in. You're going to take a little bit of oil and coat the bottom of your pan and saute the vegetables. You want to add a little bit of sea salt, and you can add some other seasoning if you like to this, just to kind of season up, and it actually gives it a nice extra taste to your spaghetti. Again, this is optional, but I do suggest it. Once you have sauteed your vegetables, you want to mix them all together, and just for about a minute or two, just so that they're not crunchy when you put them into your spaghetti mix. From there, I took the vegetables out and set them to the side, and I'm going to cook this is about 1 pound of ground beef, and I'm breaking it apart. I should have broke it apart before I put it in the pan, but there you go. I'm breaking it apart as it cooks. So guys, after I broke it apart, I added in my all-purpose seasoning, and you can use whichever one of choice for yours. And from there, we're going to add in the sea salt. And I don't add in a lot of this, so let's do about a teaspoonful, because more than likely, the all-purpose seasoning you're using is going to have some salt in it, unless you're using like Mrs. Dash or something like that. So just be careful on how much sea salt you add. I think a teaspoonful, it would be perfect. So I'm going to add in my vegetables, my meat that I broke down. And there's the key for me. I don't use spaghetti sauce. I use marinara. It's less sweet. They put a lot of sugar in, I'm not going to even name any brands. I don't want anybody getting mad at me, but the spaghetti sauce brand. So I use marinara for my sauce. And guys, I just cook it down, add my sauce, add a little bit of tomato paste, and about a tablespoonful of tomato paste. If you need a little bit more, please add it. And this is the result. It comes out really good. It's really quick. You boil up some pasta and serve. So I know how it is to be a busy parent just looking for that quick dinner idea. You want to make sure those kids get fed, or you just need something good, quick for yourself. This is it, guys. So try it out. You will not be disappointed. So guys, if you like this video, leave us a thumbs up in the comment section or a smiley face. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please, please, please don't forget your free giveaway. It's in our description section. We upload new videos every Thursday. See you then. Bye.